Hello everybody, my name is Brian and today I have in front of me a Hot Wheels collection that I picked up off of a Hot Wheels collector that was selling some stuff. Went over today to pick up one item from him, but when I saw what his collection that he had and what he was trying to get rid of, he worked me out a little good deal. So with everything that I'm showing today, I'm kind of curious if anybody can guess a number on how much I spent. If you guys are close, I might choose somebody in the comment section below and give them a free car. Aside from that, let's get into what I grabbed today. I'm very excited to show you guys all everything that I got. I'm gonna reach into the bag and I'm gonna try and grab them in portions. So, got myself a Toyota Supra. It's the older Supra. They also have a newer Supra, a yellow one, and I believe white that I could also show you guys. I have more in my collection. I managed to pick up a pink Mighty K. I also have a white one and the red one that recently released. Got those two. Got some really cool stuff today, guys. I'm super excited to show you. I got a Honda Prelude. Really nice one here. 98 Honda Prelude. Not 100% sure what this set is part of, the name of the set, but those are the cars that are available in that set. Honda Prelude, 90s Acura NSX. Would also be pretty cool to see if you guys can guess what is my main collection choice vehicle. I'm gonna reach over and grab these four more out of here. Picked up a recently released Porsche 911 GT3. Pretty sure this came out in a more recent case for the 2023. Could be wrong, maybe it's purple, the one that I'm thinking of that recently released. Picked up a LB Works GTR. I have two more of these, kind of similar, but when I saw this one, I'm like, I have to pick this one up. It's different from what I already have. Fall over here. Managed to pick up two Fast and Furious, a black Supra. This one's awesome. Super excited I've gotten that. And a Datsun 240 Custom with some turbo action sticking out of hood. This one's pretty cool. I saw this and I'm like, yo, I gotta pick that up. That's pretty neat. All right, we're not done yet. Where are the other ones? The other ones seem to fall in there. There's a set in there. We'll get to the set after. We'll pull out these. Okay, so I picked up one of these for a buddy. I know he's into the Raju Express, so I got him this. I don't think he has this, but when I saw this, I'm like, yo, the gold, this is neat. Card's a little bit bent, but no biggie. Another damaged card item. If I pull out both, managed to get a Speed Machines Porsche 911 GT3 in a damaged card, so I will be able to open this one. I'll be showing that in this video. I'll be opening this one in this video. I actually have a nice carded one on the side for me to keep, so it's nice to always find items at a decent price that we can open. That will be cool to show you guys. I'm super excited for this one, guys. Auto Strasse M3 E46. Card is in great shape, so I won't be opening this one, but this will go great with my Canyon Warriors M5 that I just recently picked up. I also managed to grab one of these locally at the store, but that was another day, another whatever. If you guys are interested in seeing more of my collection, drop a comment down below and I'll be sure to show you guys more of what I got. Let me make sure I leave everything of what I got in today's video on top of the table. And last but not least, this was the main reason why I went. A Fleet Street. Oh yeah, I'm going to be also opening this. For the price that I got this, I can't even believe it. I stole this thing from this guy and I'm so excited to open this one, man. Going to be my first car hauler for my sets. Can't wait. So let's get to the opening of that stuff, guys. So, right again, real quickly, see if I can lay out everything. Shoot a number down below, guys. Tell me how much you guys think I managed to snag all these items for. I got a great deal. I'm going to be going back shortly to collect more from him. But for today, this is all we got. Time to crack into Fleet Street. This bad boy is still sealed. Once again, guys, gonna make it its first day. Oh yeah. Crack that S boy. So cool, guys. Let me figure this out. Pause the video once I figure this out. Get back to it. Okay, so I think we're just gonna go for the cutting attempt. We're just gonna cut this one by one. Stay really carefully here. This is not looking too good. Cut towards the camera, guys. Yep, that's great. There's one. Almost. I'm holding the car on the other side right now. Got it halfway off. I think I got it. Nope. This is a little dangerous, guys. Not recommended for children. Okay. One. Let's go for the rest. Probably gonna speed this part up. This is a dangerous part. Remember, folks, do this at home at your own discretion. Maybe a sharper blade. Something more suited for set activities. I think once we give them a relief cut, they just come right out. That's dangerous. I don't even know if I'm getting any of this on camera right now. I'm kind of worried not to cut myself at the same time. Let's just go for it. Oh yeah, I'm destroying things at the same time. Careful not to cut the car. Still got some rubber on it. Oh god. Trying to be productive on time while filming because I don't want to give you guys a feature film on opening Hot Wheels. Okay, here we go. Let's go for that. Go for this. Easier than it looks, making it harder than it seems. That is the case. We're good, guys. Alright guys, so for the next clip that you're about to see, I use a razor blade to open this card. I do it in a way that I try to preserve the card so I could use it later on. If you're interested to see how I do that, leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to film that for you. Right here, I am just going up close and personal to show you the Porsche. The detail on this one is awesome. Really love the gold wheels. Color is awesome. Paint, everything they've done on this one, really impressed with. Super excited that I was able to get a car to open. Moving on to the EG. Can't go wrong with a nice little EG. Awesome wheels, awesome paint. Cool little theme going on for the EG. Next up, 91 Nissan Sentra SER in this blue. Looking real clean. I love the decals on the back window. That's just super cool. Unique in my opinion. I don't really know many Hot Wheels that actually have decals on the back window. Next up, 95 Toyota Celica GT4. Gold wheels, big wing. Definitely represents a Celica for its time. And last but not least, the hauler. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a comment, leave a like. Thank you for watching.